Time's ticking, and history's being made right now. To all the young, gifted, and Black trailblazers out there, listen up. This moment is ours, but it's fleeting. We can't afford to be left behind. Why? Because with AI, the possibilities are limitless. Think of it like a symphony. Every section, from strings to percussion, has its role. AI is just like that, but for business and creativity. It's the game changer that levels the playing field, turning the impossible into I got this. And guess what? You can be at the forefront of this revolution. With AI, you're not just riding the wave, you're creating it. Multiple revenue streams? Yeah, we're talking big moves and even bigger opportunities. So are you ready to take a big bite out of life? To jump in and harness the power of AI? Join our free webinar and step into a world of endless possibilities. It's your time to shine, to show the world what you're made of. Let's do this together. Join the revolution.